How to join a group in Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how to join a group in Roblox. So, to join a group in Roblox, first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open roblox.com into your browser, or if you have the app, go ahead and open the app and then sign in to your account. And then once you're signed in, go ahead and select a game where you want to join a group from. So for example, I want to join the group of Bloxburg. So I'll simply click on Bloxburg. And then into this section, you actually can find a join group button. So once you scroll down, you'll be able to find this join our community button. So that will take you into Discord. So on Discord, you can go ahead and join the group exclusively for Bloxburg. So once you click on this accept invite button, you'll be able to join the Bloxburg group on Discord. So take note that you need a Discord account to be able to join groups on Roblox. So groups are communities built around games, interests, or creators, and members can chat, participate in group games, and sometimes earn group exclusive items or rules. Group owners can sell merchandise and manage ranks. So take note that you can only join up to 100 groups at a time, and if the join button is missing, the group may be locked or full. And that is how you can basically join a group in Roblox.